Smartphones are now essential tools in our lives. They can manage schedules, finances, and serve as document scanners, increasing efficiency. When looking for a document scanning app, consider features like quality scans, user-friendly interface, and cloud storage options. Now, let's explore the top 3 document scanning apps for 2025 based on ratings from Google Play and the App Store. CamScanner remains popular for its high-quality scanning and OCR support. It allows cloud storage for easy access. With Adobe Scan, enjoy automatic text recognition, easy editing, and seamless cloud integration for your documents. Microsoft Office Lens is ideal for Office users, offering auto-cropping and direct conversion into Word or PowerPoint files. Choosing the right app depends on your needs for OCR features, Microsoft integration, or frequent sharing in Adobe's ecosystem. Using these scanning apps can save time and help manage important documents efficiently, converting them into PDFs. What's your favorite document scanning app, and why? Share your thoughts.